Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Currently I'm looking at the Australian dollar Japanese yen chart. This is 30-minute time frame, NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And I want to talk about this newly formed resistance, which is at 96.82. If you look at a weekly volume profile, that's this gray volume profile on the left. It shows the volume distribution over this current week. The point of control is right here at this level. That's a weekly point of control. And that means that the heaviest volumes throughout this whole weeks so far were traded in here. As you can see, that's also our resistance level. So what we have here is weekly point of control, and from there sharp sell-off. So this is telling us that sellers were accumulating their shorts in this zone, in this weekly point of control zone, mostly in this rotation before this sell-off. So sellers were active here, and then they were accumulating their short positions here, and then they pushed the price downwards. When there is a pullback to this zone, it's likely that the sellers will become active again, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. All right, this is what the volume profile is telling us. It is a setup, a volume profile setup, which I call the volume accumulation setup. Volumes were accumulated here, then there was a trend. That's basically the volume accumulation setup, and you trade pullbacks to the heavy volume zone, ideally to the beginning of the heavy volume zone. In my experience, this is where the chance of a reaction is the highest. If I zoom out a bit, you can also see that there was a very nice reaction to this level in the past. So in the past it was a support, and now the same zone could also work as a resistance, which also adds strength to our volume-based level. All right, so that's my take on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. What we need to do now is just wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take it from there. It doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, it could be next week or the week after that. I don't really mind if it takes that long, because in my experience, markets have a good memory, so even if it takes some time, this level should become valid, and I'll be waiting for the price to reach it, and if it reaches this level, chances are that there'll be a reaction from there. Alright, so that's about that. If you guys are interested about learning more about volume profile and order flow trading, then you can find more info and my custom-made indicators on my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says trading course and tools, then you can check out my education and indicators in here. This is the elite pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading, and below that there's the order flow pack, which will teach you everything about order flow trading. Both packs also include my indicators, which are volume profile, order flow, and VWAP indicators coded for various trading platforms. All right, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.